Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Eric. Happy birthday to you. We love you, we do. We love you, we do. We love you, dear Eric. We love you, we do. I hope you have a great birthday, Eric. Jimmy sends you his love, and he hopes you have a great birthday. We both love you very much, and we're very proud of you. Although we haven't spent much time with you during your growing years, always know that we've always loved you and always cared about you, okay? So take care of yourself. I hope you don't go get deployed. I hope you stay stateside. And just be safe and take care of yourself. Let your brother know that we love him, and tell your mom and Vernon that we love them also, okay? You guys take care and be safe. Have a great birthday. We love you.